Actually, what do you mean by putting people first?
You see, ensuring the growth, welfare, and productivity of staff is very, very important and key. Not forgetting that we have the job of making sure that we put the client or the customer first.
Well said.
How much is this?
This is 5,000.
Huh?
Yes.
What about the big one?
That one is 10,000.
Oh no, it's too expensive. I can't buy.
Auntie Fremuma, don't go. You are my customer.
Are you going to reduce them?
Yes, I will.
Okay. I want 2 of the big ones, and then 1.
Okay.
So I'll send my son to come and pick them tomorrow.
Oh,
Okay. Thank you.
Why is that too much so difficult, Mom?
You don't miss anything, do you?
No.
You must learn this. The customer is always right. You see that woman who just left? Auntie Fremuma. She's rather picky. That makes it a little difficult to satisfy her. However, she is a heavy and consistent shopper. She brings in a lot of business. So, what do? You pamper her.
Hi, Mama, you have tricks, so...
You know.
Oh, Pajo. This place is so nice. Very beautiful.
The place looks expensive. Can we afford this?
Oh, come on, sweetheart. Come on. It's only poor people who talk like that. Huh? We are not poor.
Hello, you're welcome.
How do you do?
How do you do? How may I help you, please?
Oh, we would like to see the owner of this company.
Oh, and may I know why you'd like to see the owner?
No, you may not. Just tell him Margaret Simpson is here to see him.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we came by the high recommendation of a good friend.
Oh, okay. Please, have a seat. I'll be with you shortly.
Oh, thank you. Oh, here you are, sweetheart. Pajo, why were you going on and on and on like that? Anyway, I love this place. It's so beautiful. It's very welcoming. Don't you feel welcomed?
Margaret.
Yes, darling.
Look, I think we walked straight into a trap. These guys will be expensive.
Oh, will you stop it? What is that?
Mr. Ghana will be with you shortly.
All right.
Here's some hot chocolate for you.
Oh.
Is it free?
He was just joking.
Yes, please, it's free. It's our way of saying that you're very welcome. And we appreciate the fact that you're bringing business to us. So please, feel at home. Let's take very good care of you.
Oh, this is lovely. This is lovely. It's exactly the way it was described to me.
Really? Permission to ask by who?
Oh, I've heard lots of beautiful things about this company. Yes, my very good friend, Adubia, told me all about that. And I regard her recommendations highly.
Oh, we thank God. Mr. Ghana, I'll see you in 10 minutes.
All right, thank you.
Very welcome.
Oh, sweetheart, here you are.
Oh, thank you.
Enjoy yourself. There's a biscuit here too.
Fade away.
I mean, you will know take a bite. Oh, you're free in theory. Je, that's why you're free, Je. When I come to work.
Our boss said no go.
Oleni nyeton kaje ni batabie kaje po ni se place your da kemi ta waje maba oleni nyagaje aka so no ko MTN mobile money impedent still in the share ni nyaga ba ngan wate ayo.
Oh, sweet sister. Please, your name.
Please. I'm not coming here because of sweet sister. Where's my watch?
Oh, Pacho. Say me who dinner and now order number na Pacho. Na me dey share mouse is here one Pacho.
Na Jangbeleki. Or na for short.
Oh, the Pacho what than 50 CDs.
Yes, I have paid through MTN mobile money.
And Pacho and Saka. Ya chiro kra say
and what you
me Pacho won say others no draws. Into ye na first come first serve. Into me Pacho e be do so sisia why Mr. Winty. Oh, you can make yourself comfortable.
Hey, people of Agbone.
Oh, you're
comfortable.
Madam, please, I'm doing the order now.
One Pacho, yeah, why sister Pacho?
And I'm a family. Son of a
Now, why is I pay? You can't be rude to my customers. Oh, yes, sir. I will not tell you here again. Pacho, why? Sorry, why? Pacho, next time, no. Wait me after WhatsApp number now to check on your food. So, baby, now.
Yeah, me this send the empty mobile money in the flesh.
Pacho.
What is this? I asked for meat and not fish.
Whether meat or fish, or we are call him.
No. What's she trying to tell me?
Is that a problem?
There's a very big problem, ma'am. I asked for meat and not fish.
I'm sorry. I think we've run out of meat. She didn't tell you. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. Too happy again.
And we're complaining she's giving harsh words now.
I'm sorry. It shouldn't be so at all. I'm so sorry. Please forgive us. Oh, my dear. I'll make that Pacho. Why? Next time. Oh, I'll give you discount. Next time you can. I'll give you meat.
Hello? Excuse me. That wasn't nice. You just dropped the food on the table.
Sorry.
I'm sorry. Oh, sister Pacho. I'll bring you another plate. Sorry. I'm sorry. Oh, me Pacho, why? Me Pacho, me bro for Cecia, why? Pacho. I'm so sorry. I've added extra meat for you, please. I always take care of you.
Sweet.
You know now. Sister, enjoy your meal. Why? You. That's why. Mawenya will first, and I will last.
Yes, Papa.
What did I tell you when I took you on?
Hard work and service.
Exactly. So, want to me share customer. Wouldn't say almost kind of meet Jamka. If you can't take care of them, serve them, you have no place here. Then, want to me you
I'm sorry, ma'am.
As I said, last chance me. Now, get there and go and apologize. And then ask if there's something else they need. Masa.
I'm sorry for earlier.
That's alright.
Please, anything else?
Can you get me some of the nice soap below?
Okay, come here, sir.
You have a nice smile.
Thank you.
God in heaven and all other gods, I've prayed to you. The one who is really, really God should show himself strong today. Let everybody come to my shop and buy all my fruits today. The one who is really, really good, show yourself strong today. Maybe.
Hello, madam.
Yes.
I want to buy water, pure water.
How much?
20 pesos, please.
Go and tell them that you did not find me.
What?
Those who sent you to infest me with your bad luck and poverty. Okay. Tell them you did not find me. Tell them that when you came, my shop is closed. Hey!
But,
Hey! But what? I just opened my shop and the first person who is coming to buy from me is bringing bad luck and poverty. My friend, get out from here.
Oh.
First say, come back to 20 pesos.
Oh, madam.
Hey! Bad luck. First say, come where you may hammer do not know power.
Hello, I'm buying pure water.
Take it and bring the money. You don't have manners, eh? You don't have manners. How can you come and buy something worth 20 pesos and then bring 50 Ghana cedis? So will I get change for you? Is this place Bank of Ghana? Go, next year then you come for your change.
Oh, madam.
Phew. If everybody comes here to buy a thing worth 20 pesos and gives me 50 Ghana cedis, so will I get change for you?
But this is all I have on me.
Go, come
okay.
back next year.
Give me pineapple.
This one is 5 cedi. That one is 2 cedi. And don't tell me to peel it. Don't have time.
Then how do I peel it?
Are you asking me?
Okay, you give me one.
Obi medimia, bedimija. Obi medimia, bedimija. Obi medimia, bedimija. Obi medimia, bedimija.
Wow. I would love some of these oranges. They look really good.
How much, please?
I like them fresh, so just about 10 to squeeze will do.
Okay. Here, 7 cedis.
What are those?
Anka.
I like them fresh, big and juicy, just like these ones.
Hey, Fatua! So be about not in Saka, say, Madam, they're the same thing. 7 cedis, take and give my money.
You're certainly not going to force me to buy these. I'm not paying for them. These are sickly. Look.
Do I look like I'm joking? Do I look like a joker? Era, pay me my money.
Want to.
What?
Mercy. Mercy.
You want to fight Karat?
I have a black belt if you care to know.
Mercy, what is this?
She doesn't want to pay me my money.
For these oranges?
Yes!
Yes, I told her I'm not buying them anymore.
Mercy, why don't you just collect them back?
Jaisa. Madam, you have to...
Excuse me. You're so uncouth. Thank you very much, gentlemen. You're so uncouth.
Oh, customer didn't know, yes, sir. Mama, down for the yo. So is she? So on the water. Yay.
Family, come on.
Eh?
Joe, 7 cedis, so bet you.
I don't mean they mean bet you.
So, Mama, I'm in the call. Family, come on, 7 cedis, Joe.
Don't mention. I'm late. I have to run. So I'll see you. Okay?
Don't worry. Yeah, I owe you people a visit.
Anytime, Mama Kande. Anytime. Bye-bye.
Bye. Say hello to your husband for me. Okay, bye. Thank you. Oh.
Obi medimia, bedimija. Obi medimia, bedimija. Obi medimia, bedimija. Obi medimia, bedimija.
Wow. I would love some of these oranges. They look really good.
How much, please?
I like them fresh, so just about 10 to squeeze will do.
Okay. Here, 7 CDs.
What are those?
Anka.
I like them fresh, big and juicy, just like these ones.
Hey, Fatuo. So be about not in Saka, say, Madam, they're the same thing. 7 CDs, take and give my money.
You're certainly not going to force me to buy these. I'm not paying for them. These are sickly. Look.
Do I look like I'm joking? Do I look like a joker? Era, pay me my money.
Want to...
What?
Mercy. Mercy.
You want to fight Karat?
I have a black belt if you care to know.
Mercy, what is this?
She doesn't want to pay me my money.
For these oranges?
Yes!
Yes, I told her I'm not buying them anymore.
Mercy, why don't you just collect them back?
Jaisa. Madam, you have to pay.
Excuse me. You're so uncouth. Thank you very much, gentlemen. You're so uncouth.
Oh, customer didn't know, yes, sir. Mumma down for the yo. So where's she? So on the day. Yay.
Family come on.
Eh?
Joe 7 CDs so betu ya.
I mean the member to ya.
So una mama me call family come on 7 CDs Joe.
Don't mention. I'm late. I have to run. So I'll see you. Okay?
Don't worry. Yeah, I owe you people a visit.
Anytime, Mama Kande. Anytime. Bye-bye.
Bye. Say hello to your husband for me. Okay, bye. Thank you. Oh.
Hey, Amma.
Hey, no mercy. How are you?
How do you expect me to be when she has turned you against me? Who else?
Nobody has turned me against you or from you. I just don't have the time to sit and wait on you for 10 to 15 minutes whilst you peel your fruits, wash them, cut them, wrap them, package them, and all that. Anyway, I don't have that time.
Hey, Amma, are you saying I don't need time to do all of these?
You do. But I keep telling you to get modern so that we can be able to pre-order and pay through mobile money. So that by the time we get here, everything is packaged and all we have to do is pick it up and go. All in less than 2 minutes,
But Anyashe, it's the juju that she's using that is turning you against me. It's okay. My bet see if you win this one day.
Nobody's using juju.
You don't even know. When it's working on you, you don't know. It's like that.
Just if you
Anyashe, Mate. Where mobile money? Pineapple, the mobile money. Yes, I'm pre-order pineapple. Pineapple, Google. Shop, but you try my 2 minutes. Or per package. Me no messy. See, pre-order. Pineapple, say pre-order. I can't think fast. Send me transima, baby. Mommy, I could send me transima.
Yen, why? Watch it. And I said, my phone come was some particular one.
Oh, Jai. Yeah, man, Kauni.
Oh, they may find me. I said,
yeah. Fancy.
Now, Susanna.
Fancy the fan koya panche be akọ.
Stop me.
Why say no? She has traveled. Why? How about someone? What is it?
You have a rival.
I have a rival. Wait, I don't understand.
She's just around the corner. Could you be my wife? She got a sibling, why a shepherd, and what can I know gone, Daniel?
Yeah,
Madam, I have a place to be.
So because of the 2 oranges you are buying, where could you cook a beer?
I don't have the energy for this.
Bra, let him go, broke man. Miss Onta didn't go 1 CD.
Oje, Obaku Konyu. No counterpart.
Lydia, come here with me. Go away. It's a business. You are spoiling my business.
Me? I just came to warn you. Welcome.
Hey, come back. Come. You were saying something, but side of her switchy.
Hey, Missy, somebody has set up a fruit store just around the corner.
Yeah, sure.
What is it, sure? You can go and check for yourself.
Anyway. Okay. Let me lock up there.
Hey, and on this story, you didn't know why I show. After you made this kind of one.
Madam.
Is that a control?
What? Can't you see that I'm locking up? Go and come back later.
Madam.
Let's go and show me. I said come back. Hey, sister. Let's go and show me. So she's the one who has been stealing our customers, eh? Okay. Wash it. Shine. No wonder. What's she really selling? Charms. I'm sure she's selling charms.
She's well polished up, no?
So are you trying to say we have to polish up just to sell oranges?
Come on. Oh, your juice, so. Whose
side are you even on? Whose side are you on? So are you trying to say we are not well set up or what? Okay. I will teach this girl a lesson. Wait for me. Hey, you don't know what you are buying, eh? Poison. She's selling poison. Missy, why am I now blind Messiah?
Hear you. I'm so sorry. Hold on a second. Oh, Mama Shi. You're welcome.
What's the cacophony all about?
Please forgive me. I don't know. This woman just appeared out of nowhere and started accusing me of stealing her customers. Here you go, sir. Thank you.
That's insane.
Hey, you don't know what you're buying, eh? Poison. She has blinded all of you. Blind Messiah.
You know what? Just ignore them. Don't mind them at all. They are all the same, she and her boss.
Oh, you've experienced them, eh?
Definitely, I have felt her back.
So it's their habit.
Everyone knows her.
Why are you not there, Konongo Kaya? Oh no, I won't share.
Tell
me about it.
Anyway, see, what do you want for today?
One of your power smoothies.
Okay.
I'll do a banana, pineapple, mango, sprinkled with some peanuts.
Oh, I know just how you like it. It will be ready in a minute.
You know what? She should learn from you how to be nice. It pays to be nice, you know.
Some people obviously don't know that.